1 pound of our medium shell pasta, 1 pound of our cooked ground sausage. I use the hot Italian sausage, but you can use the mild or the sweet. And we're just putting that whole entire pound right on top of our pasta shells. You can use whatever pasta you like, but I think the shells are perfect for this. Our veggie of choice is zucchini, and this is 2 small zucchinis that we just cut into rounds, and we're just placing that with our sausage and our pasta. For seasoning, we're gonna start off with some onion powder, and we're gonna sprinkle this right into our dish with all of these delicious ingredients. I have some garlic powder. You can use fresh garlic, but I just think that the garlic powder distributes a lot better and blends better with our pasta. And of course, we're gonna do some fresh black peppercorn, and we're just going to grate that right on top of our entire dish. Now you can season this however you want. You could add a Cajun seasoning, an Italian blend, whatever you like, just throw it in there, experiment. It's gonna be delicious regardless. Now, of course, we need a little bit of salt because you can't do pasta without some salt, and we're just grating that right on top. Before we give this a mix, we are gonna add some chicken broth, and we're gonna add about 4 cups of chicken broth, and this is gonna help cook that pasta. You can use beef broth if you prefer, or some water if you don't want too much flavor going on, but I think that this is gonna be the best choice for this. I wish they had pork broth. I wonder if that's even a thing. One time I saw seafood broth and I was like, I wanna try that, but I haven't tried it yet. So we're just adding about this whole box. You wanna make sure that your pasta is almost fully covered. And you know what time it is. It is time to mix everything together. Oh my goodness. Now, as I mentioned, I did our zucchini, but you can do some broccoli, some green beans, but I just think zucchini goes best with Italian dishes, and this is gonna be one of those dishes. We're just mixing everything together. You can even do tomatoes. I think tomatoes might be fun. I think I'm gonna try that next time, but we're just making sure that everything gets nice and tossed in our seasoning and our broth. And then we're just gonna flatten this out so that is one even layer, just like so. Beautiful. And we want this to be a little bit creamy, so we're gonna add 1 block of cream cheese right on top. And you didn't think I was gonna stop there, right? I have my pepper jack cheese, and we're gonna grate our pepper jack cheese right into our 9x13. Go ahead and lock this and start grating. You can use whatever cheese you like, a mozzarella, a Parmesan, but I just think the pepper jack adds a nice kick. We have that hot sausage in there that's just gonna complement all of these other flavors. And also just pepper jack is just so yummy, so creamy. It just adds all of the flavor. All right, we're gonna make sure we get all of this grated. This is gonna be a super easy 1-pan dinner. You can make it on a weeknight, weekend, whenever you are busy, just throw it all together in your pan and then cook it up. All right, and we did use all 8 ounces of our pepper jack cheese, and this looks insanely good. All right, get all of that out. Beautiful. Okay, and this is it. That cheese will kind of help with the cooking of the pasta. It will get melted, and then we'll give it one more mix once it's fully melted. My oven is set to 350, and this is gonna bake for about 45 minutes. Oh, look at that. It smells absolutely incredible. It's time to give this a nice hearty mix so we can get all that cream cheese and pepper jack mixed in with the pasta, the sausage, the zucchini. Everything is perfectly cooked. Oh, I am so excited. Let's go ahead and make sure we get this nice and combined. Look at all that steam. This is finally ready to try. Sausage smells amazing. I do think I might have overcooked it so slightly, so keep that in mind. Check yours a little sooner than me. Oh my gosh. This is gonna be so good. I'm gonna let it cool for a second. Okay, it is finally time to try this delicious dinner. Oh my God, it's still steaming.
Is it good though?
Wow. No notes. That is delicious.